Hi guys. Had intended to be at Abbott's Pool today, but I pulled up in the car park there and there was a busload of children just getting out. So I thought, no, we're not going to do that. So we've come a little bit further up the road and I've got several items I want to try out. Just wait for that car to go by. First thing I'm going to try out is this little Silverlit biplane. It's twin engine, differential thrust steering. I tried it in the garden the other day and it needed a little bit more space. I think we might have just enough space here, so that's what we're going to do. Hat camera on. Switch that on. Switch that on. Okay. Because we're going to get it stuck in the bushes somewhere, aren't we? Let's see what happens. Back this way, please. Oh, in the bushes. Good start. It seems to be going right a little bit, so it might need a little bit of trimming. Right, let's try that again. Yeah, definitely going right. Back this way, please. No, not all the way up there. I think I need to give it a bit more trimming than that. It's definitely going right. So it's no fun if it doesn't crash occasionally, is it? It's definitely going right. Give it a little bit of left. Yeah, it's going right. Whoa, just missed the tree. No, not all the way up there. Whoa, lucky. Not going to be so lucky there. Where did that land? Where did that land? Oh, on the floor here. Well, I need just a bit more space. But I can't get over that wanting to turn right all the time. Gonna have to give that quite a bit of left. I was giving it just a gentle little bit. Try that again. I'm beginning to get the hang of this. A little bit less throttle. Oh, a little bit too little throttle. Or not enough throttle, I suppose is the correct way to put it. Well, I must say, this is much more fun than I thought. Apart from that bit about it wants to keep going off one side. One last go, and that's probably enough. Oh, we might be a bit low on battery then. One last go. I lose sight of it. Oh, it's very much a matter of judging the throttle and the steering at the same time. If you haven't got enough throttle, you haven't got any turn. Right, that'll do. I think we've had a bit of fun there. I was trying to charge this morning and I was panicking because it didn't seem to take any charge. But I think what it was still fully charged from the last time I used it. So yeah, that was fun. Silverlit, I can't remember what it's actually called. Something like Club Flyer or something. There's quite a few that look very similar. But yeah, there we go. Silverlit 2.7 megahertz, 27 megahertz. So old toy grade, and twin motors, so it's differential thrust steering. Oh, I've only just noticed there's a steering trim there. I could have used that to try and stop it going right. Never mind. We've flown it. It was fun. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.